Following a lapse of some 5 years, engineers sought out the site to build a hydroelectric pumped storage scheme. Surely there could be no better home environmentally for the project than to conceal it in our mountain. Almost magically, our ancestors unknowingly having heavily contributed to the project by way of their excavations. Our unique mountain possesses 2 natural lakes, one high above the old quarry and one at its base.
In 1974, work began on construction. A staggering 16 kilometers of tunnels were drilled and blasted into the heart of the mountain itself.
4 years' worth of construction on the dam brought us a capacity of water of 1,540 million gallons.
The lower lake was enlarged to receive and contain the same capacity as the top lake, high above it. By August 1980, excavations were completed. Some 2 million cubic meters of rock were excavated, and it took 6,000 man-hours to create an area big enough to contain St. Paul's Cathedral. The project was the largest of its type in Europe, at a cost of £425 million. No less than 33 different organisations were engaged in its design and inception. It was officially opened on the 9th of May 1984 by the Prince of Wales. It is said that man cannot move mountains, but men moved this one. We have a vital role to play, as conventional power stations take up to 13 hours to strike up and supply the grid. We can supply power immediately when a surge is needed, for example, at a commercial break on television. Our mountain operation, affectionately termed the Welsh Spinning Reserve, performs a vital role in providing standby capacity, thus enabling the national grid to fulfill its obligation to provide power at all times. On activating our sleeping giant, enormous inlet valves open to allow water to flow into the turbines to generate electricity. The water travels along a mile-long tunnel before reaching a vertical shaft, which descends to the level of the power station. The moving water drives 6 giant turbines to generate a maximum 1,800 megawatts of power. Our system can respond almost instantly to the demands of the national grid. Late in the night, when electricity is cheaper, the water is pumped back up to the upper reservoir, ready for its next task. Cable work was painstakingly buried underground for over 6 miles. This was done in order to protect the natural beauty of the environment that surrounds us. This standby station is vital to the statutory duty of the national grid to supply electricity to all parts of the United Kingdom.